Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ishana and today I'm going to be giving you guys a detailed mini twist tutorial. If you're not new to my channel, then you know that this is my favorite protective hairstyle, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how I did these juicy fluffy mini twists using some natural kinky human hair extensions. So let's get into it. These are the materials that I used for this style. I used a rat tail comb for parting, shine and jam, a pair of scissors, some hair clips and scrunchies to help with parting and sectioning my hair, some olive oil hair mousse, some olive oil hair sheen spray, some Got2b glue, and an edge brush. The hair extension that I'll be using is from Queen Virgin Remy Hair. Thank you so much to QVR Hair for sponsoring today's video. They sent me 5 packs of their 20-inch spring twist bulk human hair in the color natural black. This hair was super duper soft and so easy to work with. I did not have to prep this hair at all before using. Each pack comes with one bundle with about 50 to 60 strands, so you actually get a lot of hair to work with, and the strands are separated so you can just go right in and pull out a piece as needed as you twist. Like I said, the hair was super soft, and so it was really easy to unravel each strand, and I was just unraveling a few strands to kind of figure out what the exact size of each strand was, to see if I wanted to split one strand in two or I wanted to double my strands for the particular size twist that I was going for. The direct link to this hair will be in my description box below, so make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. I went ahead and laid out my pieces just so they'd be easier to grab once I started twisting my hair. I went ahead and parted my hair into 6 sections, so I had 2 sections in the back, 2 in the middle, and 2 in the front. And now I'm just going to show you guys how I pre-part my rows and individual squares before I start twisting. When parting my rows, I'd like to first make a rough part and then go over that part with shine and jam and repart to make sure that it's straight and clean. And once I get to parting my squares, I basically do the same thing. So I rough part, add shine and jam, repart, then I add shine and jam to all 4 sides of my square, comb that through and twist at the base to make sure that it's separated from adjacent squares. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how I make my twist, and I'm going to start my twist using the box braid method. So I'm going to use my natural hair as a third strand for my braid, and once I braid down about an inch, I then split my natural hair into two and add a second piece of human hair. Once I've secured my second piece of hair, I'm going to twist both strands very loosely using the regular 2-strand twist method. So I'm just wrapping both strands around each other, and I'm going to do that until I get very close to the end of the twist. Once I'm at the end of the twist, I'm going to twist a little bit more tightly just to make sure that the ends are more secured and they don't unravel easily. So this is what the twist looks like at the end, really fluffy, springy and juicy, exactly the way I wanted it to be. As you guys saw, I did unravel both strands before I started twisting. So I'm gonna show you guys another twist where I did not unravel the strands, so you guys can see that you really can use this hair straight out of the pack, and unraveling makes the twist just a little bit fluffier, springier, but it really does not make that much of a difference and it's completely optional. So once again, I'm starting off my twist with the box braid method, and once I've secured my second piece of hair, I'm going to use the regular 2-strand method to twist loosely all the way down. And I just wanted to mention that you could definitely use the rope twist method to start your twist. You could even use a single strand to make your twist. I'm just showing you guys what I did to get the results that I got. I wanted a really fluffy twist, and so that is why I unraveled and doubled my pieces. But if you were going for a smaller twist, then one piece of hair would definitely be enough. So I went ahead and did the rest of my hair off camera. I pre-parted my rows and my sections before I started twisting, and I did that all the way to the top. And once I got to the front, I basically did the same thing. I just connected the rows in the front to the rows in the middle, pre-parted my sections, and twisted my hair the same way. It didn't take me a long time to complete this style. It definitely took me less than 12 hours, and I took a lot of breaks. So if you're a beginner and you're doing medium-sized twist, then it shouldn't take you more than a day to complete this hairstyle. And once I get to the last 2 rows at the top, I just make sure that the squares on one side of the middle part align with the squares on the other side of the middle part. I did add some olive oil hair mousse and hair Sheen spray to my twist, but I did not realize that the camera was not recording, and so unfortunately I did not get that footage. This is what my twists are looking like, and usually I would dip the ends of my mini twists in hot water, but these twists were not stiff at all. They were super soft and flowy and lightweight, and so I really didn't feel the need to do that. This is the finished look, you guys. I loved everything about these twists. It definitely looked like my natural hair. Like, it did not look like I had extensions in at all. The texture, the length, the size was perfect. The hair was super soft and light, which made it really easy for me to style my hair. So thanks again to QVR here for sending me this lovely hair. The direct link to this hair and to their website will be in my description box below, so don't forget to check that out. I used a little less than 4 packs of this hair and I doubled my strands, so a little really goes a long way with this hair. You don't need a lot. 3 packs should be good enough if you plan to use 1 piece of hair for each twist. I really hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.